Hello, we saw that the data in a table can be inserted and read. As we will learn in this video, it can also be modified. The modification of all the data in the table is done by the keyword update. We will write update, the name of the table, then we will write the keyword set. This is followed by the name of the column whose values we want to change, equal to the new value. This query will update all the entries in our table to the value new value in the My column. Of course, when modifying our data, we will not always want to update the respective columns for all the entries. Here comes, just like in the insert statement, the keyword where. This is followed by our condition. Also, our condition can be multiple, which means after the keyword where, we will be able to use the AND and the OR keywords, which we have already discussed in the previous videos. Let's go to Workbench and show an example. Let's create a table of students. We will write create table student, and our students will have an ID of type int, primary key, auto increment. We will have a student name of type varchar of 20 and the situation of type varchar also of 20. Let's go ahead and create this table. Now I will insert 5 students. Insert into student. I will specify the student name and the student situation, values, and here I will provide 2 texts 5 times. Let's go ahead and insert these students. Now I will write select all from student. As we can see, we have 3 passed students and 2 failed students. Let's go ahead and change the situation of all the students. We will pass them all. To do that, we will write update student, set the name of my column, student situation, equals my new value, passed. I will execute this query, and now I will select again everything from my student. As you can see, everybody passed. For you, it may not be so for now, because you probably just got an error when you try to execute this update student situation passed. This is because in order to modify the data of our table, you have to run some configuration in MySQL Workbench first. And I will show you now just how to do that. You will have to go to the Edit section and press the button Preferences. Here, press on the SQL Editor option, and down below you will see this check, Save Updates. You probably have it checked right now. In order for you to delete data and update data in our tables, you have to unpress this button. You have it like this, it should be like this. Press OK, and now if your update still doesn't work, worst case scenario, just close MySQL Workbench and start it again. After that it will work. So as you saw, I just updated my situations for all the students. Let's say I want John to fail. I will write update student, set student situation equals failed, where the ID equals 4. By running this query, we can see that I just made John fail. If I have 2 students named Andrew, I will insert this entry again and read all my information. You can see I have an Andrew with ID 1 and ID 6. Both are passed, so let's make them failed. Update student set student situation equals failed, where the student name equals Andrew. As you can see, we just modified only 2 entries based on the name. Both Andrews now failed.